Yes, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be bringing you a recipe how to cook chicken liver. Yeah, so we are having chicken liver here. I've already washed that. So in this tray we have chopped chili, which is pepper. We have chopped garlic, we have chopped ginger, and of course onion. We have here Maggi cube, chicken broth cube, yes, and we have pot here with light on it. So we are going to be using oil, olive oil, and we are going to garnish it with spring onion. So stay tuned while I try to put all of them together. Oops. That is the reason why the pot sound like that, is because the the heat is too much on the pot, so that is why. So you're going to fry your garlic, then much later you add your onion, so you're going to add your liver. Turn it. You add your salt, your seasoning, your salt, your Maggi cubes, and the ginger. Allow it to cook for a while. Yes, look at the way it is right now. I've added my seasoning. I added a little bit of black pepper and water, so just allow it to boil for a while, then we're good to go. Alright guys, thank you very much for being with us. Hey, I have someone here. I want to introduce her to you. Hi. Her name is Emanuela. Emanuela, say hi again. Hi. Okay, she was just with me in the kitchen while I'm cooking, so I decided to. Okay, that's by the way. I checked my pot again. It's boiling. Yeah, let me check again. As you can see, it's boiling. I'm gonna turn it. Now you won't have to put much water, except you really have to make it like soup kind of. But if you don't want it much moist, you just have to add little water. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to test it. Water, everything is just on point. Wow, great. cover it again to boil. Okay, now as you can see, our meal is done. Look at that. So I'm just going to test that. Not really test it because I'm really hungry right now. Nice. Good. Now, this is milk. Okay. This is boiled egg. You have calabaza here, which is gym squash. You have milk here, full cream milk. So I'm gonna use it with all of this. I have some water too. So if you want to pour milk inside a cup or anything, you don't pour it like this because it will spill on the floor, or better still on anything you will place your cup on. You rather do it like this. In that case, it goes direct into the cup. You see that? You see that? Good. Okay, I'm just going to continue my food right now. Bye. Thank you for staying with me. My name remains Praise Francis, and please like this page. Like the channel, then subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Ciao. Let me continue with my food. Bye.